You guys are not going to want to miss these massive Shiba Inu news updates. What is going on, guys? Kyle with Finance Bro here. Welcome back to another video. Hope you guys are all having an amazing day today. Make sure to hit that like button and the subscribe button so you guys never miss a new video that we post every single day. We have a lot to discuss as far as Shiba Inu is concerned today, guys. Lots of different pieces of news that I want to cover. So without further ado, guys, let's get right into it. As you can see, the first thing that we're going to be talking about here is the Shiba Swap update. You can now access it through our official site to avoid scammers. Shibtoken.com, and the official and temporary link is of course also shibaswap.com. We'll update you as soon as the problem is fixed, and of course thank you to Penny for basically organizing this whole thing and getting this out. As you can see, this is the official little Discord mention here. It says our provider is having some troubles and they're working to fix it. Meanwhile, we've bypassed the site to one of our secondary domains so people can keep using the platform. You can access it through our official site to avoid scammers, and officially the temporary link is of course ShibaSwap. We'll update you as soon as the problem is fixed. Thank you. So this has been a little bit of an issue as of recently in the Shiba Inu community, guys. You're probably familiar with some of the scamming problems that we've seen with some of these other tokens and the issues that are involved with them. I really encourage you guys to be very safe with your tokens and the way that you guys are moving them. Make sure you're using all of the official channels that you're supposed to be using. Make sure you're not going through any third parties, and make sure you guys have a secure wallet on a secure platform, guys. I really cannot stress that enough. Be safe with your crypto, guys. It is inherent that you guys make sure you guys do that. If you guys haven't already, I want to recommend you guys join our private Discord. It is the second link down in the description below. Here are some of the benefits that you guys get in that Discord, guys. You get one-on-one interactions on Discord and Patreon with us. You also get our daily crypto alerts, which are our buy alerts, and of course you get to see a first look into new cryptos that we are doing research on and thinking of purchasing. You also get includes crypto market strategies and updates, and includes of course articles and information that we come across that we think that you guys might find helpful. If that sounds at all interesting, hit that second link down in the description below and go ahead and get signed up if you haven't already. Let's talk about this, guys, though. Shiba Inu has recovered quite nicely here just over the last couple of days, and we're starting to form a nice little bull flag pattern here as far as the technicals go. I'm going to draw this very roughly out really quickly here just so I can show you guys what I mean, right? Here is the, of course, flag itself, and then, of course, the actual pattern needs to be drawn out a little bit better by me, yours truly. But as you can see, this is kind of the way we're going. Hopefully, we can see another leg up. What this really depends on, though, is the overall conditions of the market. If we go to the overall ranking of all these different cryptocurrencies, as you can see, Bitcoin is forming a bull flag, Ethereum is forming a bull flag, and a bunch of other cryptos are doing the same, which is really good because that likely means that we're going to be able to take a further step up as far as technicals go. That being said, though, be very careful at these levels. This could very well be a recovery rally, if you will, but we also could potentially see a pullback in certain types of coins. Again, Shiba Inu being one of them. Shiba Inu is known to be a little bit more volatile. As you can see, we're down about 2.03%, 1.99. It's going to go up or down during this video, obviously. But again, these types of coins are going to get hit a little bit harder, even on the red days, because unfortunately, they're just a little bit more volatile. It's the nature of the coin. We are back up to the 2268 level, which in my opinion is a really good piece of news and a good sign that we have a lot of good momentum that is going to be able to kind of bring us forward in the coming days. Hopefully we will see that. If you guys haven't already too, I want to recommend you pick up a free stock that could be worth up to $300, guys, with the first link down in the description below. All you guys have to do is hit that link, sign up, and deposit at least $1 when you guys make a new account with public.com, and you guys will get a free stock that could be worth up to $300. Just the other day, we got $300 worth of Amazon stock live on stream when we did a free stock. I think you guys will really enjoy the benefits that come with this as well, guys. And make sure, of course, you follow us on here because it's a social media app for investing. That is a really cool place to be. Quick little update here. ShibaSwap is currently under maintenance, guys. If you guys are wondering what's going on with ShibaSwap, did it get hacked? I can't access my funds. Your funds are safe. You can copy your address in the dbank.com, search your Ethereum address, of course, in the search bar. Do not connect. And of course, you can see where your funds are at as far as ShibaSwap is concerned. It's just a little maintenance, though, guys. Nothing really to worry about there. Shiba Inu locked horns with Bitcoin in January 2022. and this happened. Let's read a little bit more about this news article and see what this entails. 2021 was a year that accelerated the world shift in digital verse. Shiba Inu wasn't a mere spectator. The meme coin opened the doors of the crypto market to an array of investors. Now, the meme coin has taken over the OG cryptocurrency, Bitcoin itself, in terms of popularity. NFT, metaverse, and meme coins are what ruled throughout 2021. And this is true, guys. We have seen metaverse tokens absolutely explode. And if you guys look, the top 15 coins by popularity on CoinMarketCap in January, Shiba Inu is still number one, guys. And again, what I always try to talk to you guys, because a lot of you guys are saying, oh, all of this great news, all these videos you make, but still Shiba Inu doesn't move an inch. Here's the thing, right? Here's the thing you guys have to remember. I want you guys to take a look back here when Shiba Inu had its first rally back in May. All-time highs. We were at peak euphoria. Everybody was having the time of their life. And then what happened? It started kind of falling out of favor because that's the way the market moves. The market moves in cycles. We go from a cycle where Bitcoin has dominance. We go from a cycle where Ethereum has dominance. We go for a cycle where meme coins have a dominance, right? In that instance, meme coins were kind of in that dominant cycle. And then we basically ended up selling off. And a lot of people stopped caring about Shiba Inu. And this is what we did for literally about 3 months, right? June, July, August, and then of course, then that subsequent takeoff into the later parts of October and November. But again, this was what we experienced, guys. A lot of stagnation, but consolidation and stabilization. We needed that in order to be able to move higher with this token. And if you look right here, we're starting to kind of form those types of patterns, which is a really good sign of future bullish momentum. If we can continue to move at this rate, guys, I'm really positive that we can see another huge breakout, hopefully sometime this year. We just have to wait for meme coins to get back in cycle. We need to wait for the meme coins to obviously become super relevant again and become popping off like they were back in October and November, which I think could happen sooner rather than later. Again, the trading volume is down a little bit, guys, but the overall cryptocurrency market trading volume as far as Bitcoin goes is down. I saw major spikes last year, almost all after price drops. That's, of course, people buying the dip. Now, this is the last thing I wanted to talk about before we wrap this video up. Shiba Inu whales control 26% of the total supply of the token. Here's how that might be bullish. And you might think that's a bad thing, but honestly, it's not, because here's the thing. If these Shiba Inu whales want to burn their tokens, that's a really good thing. But again, that's kind of crazy. Let's say they don't do that, right? But again, we're going to read this article and give a actually kind of more interesting reason why that could be a good thing, right? So whales control the meme-related token. According to data, we know that they control about 26% of the overall total supply. With increasing number of whales, assets tend to lose the previous volatility that was present with almost 100% of all traders on the market were short-term speculators. As the holders' composition suggested, Shiba Inu is currently considering a mid-term asset, with the majority of holders entering the asset at least 6 months ago. Whenever whales take control of an asset, its correction tends to stop, as large wallets are continuously accumulating the token or the coin instead of selling it. Large selling volumes usually appear at the end of bullish rallies, where retail buying exceeds unrealized losses and then turns into unrealized profits. And this is 100% true, guys. The whales are unique in that they're not really selling their positions. Most of them buy and they accumulate and they hold, right? That's what they do. And when like the article said, when they do that, that's when we see these very stable, very predictable, and overall very nice to deal with price patterns, right? These types of charts that we're looking at here, this consolidation phase. So the whales doing this, I think, in my opinion, is a really good thing for the overall Shiba Inu community. I would love to know your guys' thoughts, obviously, in the comments below if you have a different take on this, but I think that this is a good thing. And I think, again, this will help us reach that consolidation phase in order to go to the next big bullish rally that everybody is waiting for and expecting. Again, that's just my take, though. If you guys haven't already, really want to recommend you join our private Discord with that second link down in the description below. A lot of amazing benefits in there, and I think you guys really enjoy being a part of the community. Make sure to pick up a free stock with the first link down in the description below at public.com as well, guys. But other than that, that's all I have for you guys today. I'm Kyle with Finance Bro. Take it easy.